Welcome to Calapan City in Oriental Mindoro, and welcome to Antro on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. The Mangyan people, an indigenous group in Mindoro, are among those who have deep roots in the region. They have distinct cultural heritage, language, and traditions that set them apart from other communities in the country. The Mangyan population is composed of several subgroups, each with its own language and way of life. The main Mangyan groups are the Tadyawan, Iraya, Alangan, Taubid, and Bangon. Traditionally, Mangyan communities were engaged in Sweden agriculture, or slash and burn farming, hunting, and fishing. They cultivate crops such as rice, root crops, and fruits. The Mangyan also have rich tradition of weaving and producing intricate handicrafts and textiles. Mangyan communities traditionally held animistic beliefs, worshipping ancestral spirits and nature deities. Rituals and ceremonies were conducted to seek protection and good harvest and overall well-being. Over time, there has been influence from mainstream religions, but many Mangyan communities maintain aspects of their indigenous beliefs. The Mangyan communities have their own social structures, with leaders chosen based on age, wisdom, and experience. The communities are organized into barangays, and elders play a crucial role in decision-making. The arrival of Spanish colonizers in 16th century marked a significant turning point, bringing changes in governance, religion, and culture to the region. Like many indigenous groups, the Mangyan people have since faced challenges related to land rights, education, and cultural preservation. The origins of present-day Calapan City can be traced back to its beginnings as a small village before the establishment of the initial religious district in Baco. The district convent moved to Calapan City in 1733, taking charge of the northern Mindoro ecclesiastical area. In the early 18th century, the town occupied the limit area from Ibaba to Ilaya, forming a cross shape facing the current church divided by a river. Additional barrios were established as the century progressed. In 1873, the provincial capital shifted from Puerto Galera to Calapan City. After Mindoro's integration into Marinduque on June 13, 1902, the capital moved to Puerto Galera. However, due to geographical and transportation reasons, it relocated back to Calapan City in 1903. Upon Mindoro's separation from Marinduque on November 10, 1902, Baco, Puerto Galera, and San Teodoro were incorporated into Calapan City in 1905 under Act No. 1280, expanding its land area to 843 square meters. In 1902, Act No. 2824 granted independence to the three municipalities. A boundary dispute between Calapan City and Nauhan in 1919 was resolved by President Agustin Quijano of Calapan and Agustin Garong of Nauhan. The agricultural portion was awarded to Nauhan, reducing Calapan City's territory compared to Nauhan, now the province's largest municipality. Currently, Calapan City spans an area of 250.6 square meters and holds jurisdiction over the three Baco islets on Calapan Bay and the two Silonai islets. Calapan City attained cityhood status on March 21, 1998. In a plebiscite on March 21, 1998, the majority of Calapeños ratified Calapan's conversion into a city, making it the first and only city in Oriental Mindoro.